All right, guys, so once your atmometers are largely assembled, you then have to think about adding a way to measure the water loss. So starting roughly where your bottle is at begins to be at its widest for your apple juice thing, probably right here. Right, there's some markers lying around over here in the cup. There's some permanent markers. There's a couple Sharpies lying around. Put a ruler along the side, mark every single centimeter, and then I would use a bigger line, and then ½ centimeter is a smaller line. And then mark 0, 1, 2 down. Because think about it, right? What do you expect the water to do in your bottle?
Go up.
If it goes up, that's gonna be an interesting situation. Yes.
So like start 0 here.
Yeah. Start 0 there, and then the water level should go down in your bottle, right?
So should I start 0 here?
Yes, I would start about there.
How do I do this?
Yeah, it's a little awkward, but I would actually turn your ruler around and start with a 0 this way, and then mark every major centimeter.
Am I doing this correctly?
Yeah. Looks good to me. Yep. Keep on going.
I just don't want to like keep going and then have it totally.
All right, now, once you've got your bottle marked, okay? Once it's marked and you've got your gradations all good to go, then you're gonna fill your bottle up with water up to maybe just below the 0 line, because when you dangle your jellyfish tendrils back into the bottle, they're gonna take a little volume up, right? So they might be enough to bring you back up to the 0 line. And then if you read the instructions, you need to get the top piece of fabric a little damp. So you'll be needing to do that. So if you've been using a hot glue, you'll want to make sure the glue's dry and all of that first. So when you think you're ready, we'll do that. Now we're gonna spend we'll go take these outside here once everybody's done. Well, we need to come in and have a little time for cleanup, of course, too. So if you get done, you can start putting stuff back over here in the supply area. I'll take a pile of fabric, I'll deal with it. I'll take a pile of plastic. The juniors are gonna use it later on for a plastic number statistics activity. So that's fine.
Hey, Mr. Cord, do you have the box cutter?
Yes, in the second drawer down, you'll find one.
What's going on? What is going on? Nothing.
They're
Wait, so we get the top one or the
Let's see if this works.
what part are we getting wet?
yeah, well, the tendrils are gonna get wet anyway because they're gonna drop in the water, right? So
Well, the bottom's already wet.
the bottom's already wet. They're already doing their thing.
Yeah.
All right, so but yeah, you need to get the top damp.
Yeah, you better watch that. You easily slip Michael's wrist. Did it go? Yeah, kind of.
0 at the widest point. So
Yeah, that would start right about here.
Yeah.
Or so.
Okay, 0.
And that's where you'll fill water up to that point, make that 0, and then mark every centimeter with a bigger line and every
Okay,
½
so
centimeter with a small
all the
line.
way up. Got it.
Yeah.
So they're gonna be half
Really
an inch.
tall.
How much? How long?
Okay,
Half an inch wide.
oh, I'm marking you. Can you take my one for him?
Oh yes, life center one.
I don't like this.